Hi there. In Python, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed within a single quotes or double quotes. Let's discuss about their practical implementations. If I talk about string declarations, we can declare a string in a single quote like this, or we can declare a string using the double quotes. You can also declare a string in a triple quote, and that is basically for multi-line like this, or you can print like a multi-line. You have hello world in 2 lines. Let's say I write here, hi John, how are you doing? So this is how you can write a multi-line string using triple quotes. We also have string concatenation. Let's say I have first name and I have last name. I can concatenate the first name and last name using this plus operator, and I can print the result. So strings can be concatenated using this plus operator. I can simply run and try. You can see that this prints John Doe. Post that, we have string repetition. Let's say I have a particular string which I want to repeat for the number of times. You can first of all declare or assign them to a variable and print, or you can directly print. Choice is yours. Further, we have string length. If you want to check the string length, we have a len method which will help us to check the string length. Let's say if I print check the length of this hello word, it is approximately 11. Further, we have string indexing. If you talk about that this is my string and I want to check at 0th index what is the index, what is the character that relies, you can see that. And if you will say -1, it is from right to left, what is the first character, that is a D gets printed. Then we have string slicing. You can extract a part of a string using the slicing syntax. Let's say this is, I have a my string. I prefer assigning a my string once again. This is my string and I want to say from 0th index to 5th index, I wanted to extract a string from a string. So it will extract hello. Further, if I say I don't know the start character, but till the 5th character I want to extract a string, so it will take from the 0th automatically till the 5th character. And if I say from the 6th character onwards till the end of the string, whatever extraction is there, just get that. And if you don't write anything in the start or end, you just write the empty colon, it will print the entire or extract the entire string. We do have a string methods if you move forward. Let's say if I talk about the cases, we have a lowercase method that will convert the string into lowercase. If I just write that here, changing case. Further, we have uppercase that will convert your string into uppercase. Further, we have the stripe where it removes any leading and trailing white spaces, or replace we also have. First of all, let's talk about stripe. If I have this my string, you can see that we have some spaces before edge and some spaces after edge. So when you say stripe, it will actually remove the extra space from this particular string. Further, when we talk about replace method, this will replace a substring with the another string. Let's say this is my string and I want to replace the word with a John. So it will say hello John. So it will help in replacing the long string. Further, we have split that splits the string into a list of substring. For example, we have here a text or a text, let's say, and I just say I have some content in this. Let's say I have, I'm really sorry, apple, banana and cherry. Now I will sentence this. So sentence equals to text.split, split this and separate by comma. So when I print the sentence, it will split this into 3 strings and will separate them by the comma. I'll just run and execute and show it to you. So this is apple, banana and cherry. One string looks like a list. Further, we have format. Format I will discuss in my upcoming session, where the formatting of the string comes into the picture. So these are the ways where you can talk about the strings to be used, all the strings methods, all the string operators and the implementations you can do. So strings are the sequence of characters enclosed in quotes, supports various operations like concatenation, repetition, indexing and slicing, have some built-in methods to manipulate the string, and some special characters can also be included with the help of escape characters. We'll discuss in the further session. Until next time, stay tuned. See you in the next video.